Hi, I'm Jeremy Jewell. I'm with our Flutie company. I'm an applications engineer and product specialist for our collaborative robot lines. The robot has the ability to keep track of internal PLC registers and also connect to external I/O modules and devices. Those options can be found under the PLC and I/O module tab. Going through what we can do with the PLC that's on board the mirror, we can set registers to varying values. We can set those values between 0 and 100 if integers. And we can also change it to a floating point number as well if necessary. We can reset any PLCs and internal registers with one tab. So if we had multiple of these registers, we can choose which ones we want to reset. We can also wait for a PLC register to change in the mission. So if we knew we wanted whatever register we choose to wait until it turns into another value based upon another device communicating to the robot, we can set one of these wait for register actions in the mission. We can also have it time out if necessary. So if it takes longer than 5 minutes per se, we can tell the robot then to even continue without that register ever changing. External devices are under the I/O module tab. We can set outputs to different modules. These modules may be a roll-up door or end-of-line conveyor that we need to interact with upon arrival, but we would choose our module, tell it what port, and turn it on or off. Again, we can time out those actions if necessary. We can set and reset I/O, similar to the PLC registers. And we can also wait for an input. So we can arrive at a destination, wait for an external device to tell the robot when to proceed to its next action. If necessary, we can connect to different Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth is not always a common format in industrial automation, but some devices, that's really the only way you can connect. So when we arrive at a position or somewhere in the map that we need to connect to those devices, we can either connect to that Bluetooth or disconnect to that Bluetooth. And you have varying settings here that you can adjust once you get into the module and adjust those.